don't like spiders and snakes, and that ain't what it takes to love me.
Sometimes I talk too much and I never use the footage. However, this is going to be a semi-long ongoing project and I don't know what it's going to turn into. I've imagined it, but I feel like I'll regret if I don't run a camera. So I built Camp Meatball so I could be here and also keep an eye on what this is all about. As I said at the beginning, I did not want to start creating back here without documenting. So there's a lake right there that I've really never seen, because this part of my house, it's unattractive, scary. Yeah, all things wild are here. Every time I saw a poisonous snake over there, it was always boogieing over here. Alright, let's clear this out. So, a lot of y'all didn't grow up in Florida. Matter of fact, at the beginning of this video, I'm probably going to use a snippet of I don't like spiders and snakes. I don't. That ain't what it takes to love me. So, but the thing is about spiders and snakes, they are not interested in this. In my storage unit, I have a chainsaw. I hate to go over there, but it's necessary. And I'm seeing what I'm taking on now. If I can cut this, I'm gonna lay a piece of plywood. And that's gonna allow me to edge out there and work without feel like I'm stepping on critters' homes. One could argue I had enough going on, but creativity is a distraction. And you know, I've had some crazy things happen recently, but if you want to know the truth, I've never been more creative. I've had time to edit 2 vlogs. I'm updating Meatball where I couldn't before. Yeah, so creativity cures. So look, this makes so much more sense. So I can walk out here. This has to go, I don't know if you can see it, but it would be great to go straight. But, God, look at that brush. However, look at that way. I could curve back, which is a more complicated deck. But, yeah, I don't see one bug back here, but I got the itchies. Itchy. And never thought that I would use this. This is where I was harvesting bamboo, failure. This is the first time I saw bunnies, never saw them again, right? This is the place that is kind of scary. At one time I was throwing weeds or limbs back here. I thought, oh, that's not good either. But look, there's my property line. It's way over there. So everything I'm doing is my property. I thought I was encroaching. Yeah, I gotta go that way. So yeah, it's gonna be that much more interesting. So there's gonna be a deck that goes here, around, curves. God, do I want it that complicated? Okay, I'm a trooper, right? But the bitey bugs back here, I don't see them. It could be in the plant. This is not a poison ivy, poison oak type of thing. But my God, and I'm a trooper and I can keep going, but I actually can't. I've got this wet towel and God, that feels good, but I can't get relief. Now that doesn't mean that Camp Meatball's a bust. It just means that this has never been disrupted. Yeah, I'd like to keep going, but I can't take the itching. So when I come back here to tackle Camp Meatball again, this didn't have to, I thought I was gonna do a lot today. I need different attire, and I need bug stuff. Body bugs. Body bugs. God, I see nothing. Yeah, what I mean is like I don't see a bite, I don't see a rash, but my God, like 1,000 needles right now. I'm going back to the Airbnb to get cleaned up. All right, part 2, I'm ready for battle. I'm gonna do all, this is perfect. I'm gonna do all the decking back there on pallets. At least I'm gonna begin with the base. So I'll raise and level these out, but I'm gonna begin with pallets. I'm gonna save so much money. I'm actually, woo, I made it. See? Oh my God, it's exactly what I wanted. I actually would like to find a stopping point. Yeah, I didn't need to do this all in one day. I've got to choose specific pallets because I'm going to platform and elevate them. Let's find my way back here. This is spectacular. Look what I've done. Okay, I should be pleased, but there are 2 branches hanging over the water that I want gone, and I don't know how to get those. It's something I look forward to. I know I've been talking about Airbnb, whatever, but I'm looking forward to me. I know I own everything behind me, but sometimes you just want a place to go that you don't feel like an adult. That's a house. Yeah, that's grown-up stuff. But when I was a kid, I used to play in the woods. I used to go there alone in the woods because nobody really wanted to be with me, if you wanted the truth. The woods accepted me, and the woods allowed me to dream. And many times, even if I never built it, I used to look up at the trees and wonder what I could do. I played tree tag by myself. I'd never touch the ground. But sometimes I'd just sit and daydream and think. I feel like a lot of those dreams of a 13-year-old kid sitting in the woods all alone. I feel like that's what this is. So it's my chance to make that little kid proud. And to show what grown-up Tony can do. What kind of magic I grew up to be able to do. So I like that. That's an entire cathartic story though. I know it's August, but my God, I cannot wait till a nice, crisp, cooler fall winter day to come back here, light a fire, spend the night, and be 12. It's a little small truck. I can get this for $19. I probably only need it for 75 minutes. Well, I'm at Home Depot, and today's pallet day. So look at these. Look at the wood on this. These are gorgeous. It was only a week ago. I couldn't move. I was paralyzed. Thought my back snapped in two. Okay. Yeah, look at the quality. These are gorgeous. These are heavy. I'm to the edge. No, I mean I'm to the edge. To the edge. So, remember that story about my 12-year-old self? He's probably watching in horror. You mean I gotta work that hard when I'm old? Yes. You're gonna have to work that hard when you're old. Sorry. Sorry, 12-year-old self. All the way. I bought pressurized lumber. I had exterior deck screws, but look at this. I love it. I knew I wasn't completing this in one video, but that deck is everything.